I'll take left, right?
Friendly at your 12. Or 11, sorry. It's pretty quiet. Are they having the, do they take the village already?
Can we get into the village? Let's try and maybe hook. Left side tree line this way.
Oh.
Well, I killed those guys. You can't tell them.
Corner at 9.
I killed behind 2. 3 men down.
Is he in that corner?
I think I lost my vision. Yeah.
What? I think he's waiting for a medic.
But yeah, I killed them all, but they don't show me, right? So I kept shooting them.
I was shooting him too, and
She's
they
right
started
there.
waving.
There's a gun barrel sticking out of 16 there.
16, left side, right side.
Left side doorway.
16. I'm getting a little adventurous. I'll go back to that.
This man, 3 guys straight across the field, guns blazing into the tree line.
Oh, really?
We might have made it, or we wouldn't see them walk by. But they're calling out. They're calling out with some optics and how many people are in this tree line.
So yeah, they're giving away our position.
Just hook, I'm going to hook back and left.
Along the fence?
Yeah.
How's your reach, Jason? Because Betty sees one of the
Contact. 1 o'clock. Yeah. Oh, it's Sully. It's Sully. It's friendly. How many enemies, Sully?
They just put fire on us. Stay behind so if we get hit, I'm right at that. Yeah.
Oh, you've been busy.
I'm busy.
Get out.
Hey man, what do you got?
I see movement by that building. 1 o'clock.
I'm gonna go this way.
He says same thing.
You want to maybe hold for a sec? I'm going to go that way.
Copy.
We'll probably draw fire.
You can't save him?
Building 16.
I already saved him once.
I think if we can crawl to that plywood. He's on me.
Red car.
Red car, Jay, red car. I thought that was the parking lot. He's near the rear tire, driver's side. Are you able to roll left? Get a shot on him? I don't really got an angle on him, bud. It.
Down clear.
Roger!
Jason, push!
Down the road, far side, next to the corral. Got like, I've counted 3 tangos. Who's watching rear? We've got guys on our, we're good on our right, on the right side of the road.
Is it busy?
I don't know. We hold the road right now.
We got one guy getting shot at.
I took a shot right from the forest. I don't know. I don't know if there's somebody hiding though. There's one guy over here. I don't know where he wants to.
We gotta go push the bush.
We can't because it's the minefield right there.
I know, but we should push the minefield.
Form up which side? Didn't see.
That's the end of the map there?
This is the end of it, this fence post.
Okay.
They can come back over there. This is angled in.
Oh, yeah.
That's further out left side.
Right into the corner.
Yeah, Roger.
Isn't that minefield?
Brad, that's a negative. Do not go into the UN base. No problem with the perimeter.
Okay.
Can they get through over there? No! Roger.
So we've cut them off?
Yeah, let's keep pushing.
Good. What is this?
This is the end of the mine.
This object.
Bunker.
Hey, we found some intel. Yo, Tan, we found some intel.
Tan, we got intel.
Copy. Can I move it?
No. Negative.
Do we have an engineer?
Coming from the minefield.
Jay, there's hard cover right there you can get to.
Sean, there might be a guy in that bunker if you need to fall.
Right in fucking front of me?
Yeah.
dry, I'm dry. Yeah, Jay, affirmative, wood bunker. One down.
Another one coming.
Let him out, let him out.
That's where I'm on this side.
How many of you guys got there? My 12 o'clock tangle. My 12 o'clock.
Sean, cover me and I'll clear that bunker.
Okay,
Move it back.
I got left.
Move it, tangle, move it. Gotcha. To my right.
Okay, you're 12, 30, 40 feet, they're in there.
Moving up. Moving up. Dad, moving. Chris.
Betty, we're guarding that briefcase.
Stand there and come out.
One guy in the corral. Just lead him through the fence. Copy that. Moving up. You're 11 at 12. 110 building on our 12. One file on our 12. Nice kill. Anyone got M4? What do you need? M4. M4 man. Gotcha.
Wood pile in the distance.
Cool, my 12 o'clock. Through the trees. Private building coming in, 12 o'clock. Yeah, right away down the wood pile now.
2 down.
Nice, buddy, nice. Is that guy dead?
Yeah, he is.
Oh, is-
Yeah.
oh, then I'm an asshole.
That happens. He's full of dead, right?
Yeah.
Another one to the left of him. I don't know where that is.
Between 12 and 1.
Well, there's a little burn hill here, and you can kind of like
Oh.
see where that grass is. It's dug out on the other side.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The hard point. He's low right in front of me.
Yeah, stay down.
He's 89 feet
Well, how many times do I have to shoot you,
though.
man?
Taking fire from the corral.
Guy low in 12 is down. Contact, corral!